It is something you eat. You guys have had cherries before? Isabella has cherries in her lunchbox today. You do? She does too. Did you eat them for snack? No. Okay, so she'll eat them for lunch today. So cherries have been a big thing at our house. They're in season right now. We're eating tons of them. Are you eating them at your house right now?
Yes.
Yes, they're yummy.
I eat cherries, but I don't eat the red ones. I eat the ones with the seeds inside.
That's the kind I'm talking about today.
I eat those ones too.
Cool. So a lot of people like cherries. Nope, but my story is about two friends eating cherries. Okay? So I have two friends. Yep, Isabella and I are going to eat some cherries.
Or they're going to subtract.
And we want to eat all of the cherries so that they're all gone. And we want to put them in our bellies, not in the trash can. Okay? So Isabella and I are going to eat 25 cherries. And we want to share them so that we both get the same amount, but that we use them all up because we don't want to waste it, right? Right? Okay, so I'm going to read my story problem to you, and then I'm going to pick my three friends to tell it back to me. You ready? You ready to hear what my story problem is today?
Yes.
Let's see. All right. Two friends share 25 cherries so that each gets the same amount. How many cherries will they each receive? Put it in your head. See if you can tell me my story. Let's see here who can tell me my story. Maddox, do you think you can tell it? All right, stand up for me. Tell your class the story.
Wait a minute, that won't work.
Tell them.
The class ate 25 cherries.
All right, Maddox.
I got it.
Listen to it one more time, okay? And then we'll let you try on your own. Okay, ready? Two friends share 25 cherries so that they each get the same amount. How many cherries will they each receive?
Two friends ate 25 cherries. How many will they receive?
Good. Was that good?
Yes.
All right, Maddox, let's see if we can pick someone else to be an expert with you. Let's see. Addison, do you want to do it?
No.
Okay, stand up for me, Addison.
Two friends are sharing cherries. They both each get 25 cherries so they can have the same amount. What?
Keep going.
I don't remember.
Maddox, can you tell her our story?
Two friends share 25 cherries. How many will they each receive?
Okay, Addison, what's our story? Stand up, tell your class.
Two friends are sharing 25 cherries. So they both have the same amount.
What's the question?
I forgot.
Okay, listen to Maddox one more time. Say it really loud, Maddox. And then Addison, I want you to say it back to him just as loudly as he says it, okay? You've got it.
Two friends.
Look at him. Wait, freeze. Stand up. Do you want to come up here and talk to him?
No.
Okay, stand up and look at Maddox.
Two friends share 25 cherries. How many will they each receive?
What is it, Miss Addison?
Two friends are sharing 25 cherries. How much will they each receive?
You're an expert. All right, Addison, you got to listen because you got to help the next one.
I can do this.
So Addison's an expert. Who else could be an expert? Thank you, Cody, for saying quietly. Would you like to be my expert? All right, stand up. Do it loudly.
Two friends are eating 25 cherries. How many they receive?
How many? Yeah, very good. All right, expert 1, expert 3, expert 2. High five, air high five. All right, so you guys are ready to solve the problem. I'm going to ask you one thinking question, and I want to see everybody's response, okay? So will each friend get more than 25 cherries or less than 25 cherries? So just give me a silent thumb. Do you think they're going to get more than 25 cherries, or do you think they're going to get less than 25 cherries? Show me with your thumb. Why do you think it's less than 25 cherries?
Because
Oh, because there's 2 friends sharing the 25 cherries, right? Great idea. Okay, so we have a paper for you to work on today. And I'm going to come around and I'm going to look and see who's solving the problem the best and most efficient way that they can, okay? We've talked about lots of strategies, so let's see what we can do. All right, you may go back to your seats.
Avery, did you eat Pop-Tarts today?
They can use them if
No, not today.
And you
Addison
can
did, yeah.
grab them.
She made a huge mess.
Once you have your paper, you may get busy. Avery, you gonna rock it today?
Yes, ma'am.
Did we just
Go around and...
do you care?
No,
You're so good.
I don't care. Maybe.
Can we fold it? Is it? Do we want it to go in?
Yeah, there we
Oh, there it goes.
Hey guys, let's not push.
That means
If
that
you
they
do
can
not
get it.
think you're going to use them or need them, don't just get them to get them. Get them because you think you're going to need them to solve the problem.